Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And on today's video I'll be showing you this foot peeling mask. So without further ado, let's get to the video. In today's video I'll be using this Efero exfoliating foot mask. So in case any one of you is interested in purchasing this product, I will put the link on my description down below. To start the process, I'll begin by soaking my feet in the water for at least 10 to 15 minutes, making sure that my feet are well soaked. In this specific pack of foot mask, there comes only a pair, so probably you might need an extra pair if your feet are so ashy. Inside the foot mask, it comes with the product that I suppose is the one that helps with the process of peeling. It also comes with these stickers whereby it helps you attach the mask in your feet so as it doesn't spread everywhere. It's like to secure the foot mask. So we will just cut the mask so as we can put our feet inside. Just to secure everything into place, I will also put my socks so as I can move, I can also do other things while I'm having the foot mask on. And actually it doesn't smell really bad, it actually smells really good, the product that is inside, which is a good thing. And after that I will stay with this foot mask for almost 1 hour 30 minutes. I'll just clean everything out, like soak all the product out, making sure that I don't have the product remaining on my foot. And as you can see, there is a difference between my skin that was inside this foot mask and my normal skin. So at this time, you just have to wait for at least 48 hours. So I just put on my socks and wait for the magic to happen. So on this day is when I started seeing the skin peeling. And before doing this video, I actually did my research. They actually advise that you should not pull the skin, so you wait until when it starts to fall off itself. So I actually didn't pull it off, since in my heel area it was still very hard and some other places, so this actually made me wait more days. Just so you know, this peeling process takes about a week or two. For me it took 1 week, so actually get prepared if you want to try this peeling process. I would actually advise you should actually do it when you're at home, or make sure you're working from home, because it can be a little bit impressive and also scary at the same time. if you're to put on open shoes during the peeling process. On this specific days when I started seeing like the peeling, like it was really impressive, and also I started seeing flakes falling off. As you can see, it's a little bit scary, as I told you before. So if you really don't want to try it, it's not advisable because it can be really scary. But if you like to try new things like me, why not? You should try this. Once in a while, it's not bad at all. And it felt really good actually when I was taking out the skin. And it's advisable if you have like really bad ashy feet, you actually have to do it 2 times so as it can peel easier and faster. But I actually didn't have really ashy feet as the way I thought, so I actually just used 1 pack. And if you ask me, would I repeat this process? Probably yes, but in 1 year time. And also I started noticing the peeling on my toes. Few days after, this is all what was remaining on my foot. So what I did was just wash it out with an exfoliating gel, shower gel. This helped me to scrub, and as you can see, my feet is shining. It looks really good, and it feels actually really good. And here is the final look of my feet. As you can see, it feels so soft, feels like a baby foot. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And we'll see each other on the other video. Bye!